Hi, I'm Raphael, ShipRush Product Manager. Let's look at ShipRush Feature of the Day. Today, question of the day is Saturday delivery. How do you get your shipment delivered on a Saturday? The first question is, what day of the week are you actually doing the shipment? Are you shipping out on a Friday, on a Thursday, or some other day of the week? And the second is to make sure you know how much it's all going to cost. Our first scenario is for a Friday shipment. When it's a Friday shipment and you have to get that box there on a Saturday, you need to use the priority overnight service. That's right here selected in the list of FedEx shipping services. You see FedEx priority overnight. To make sure it gets there on a Saturday, you need to use the Saturday delivery option that you see here in the service panel. Now before I check that, I want to take a quick note of what it's going to cost. So to ship out on a Friday and get it there on a Monday is going to be, in this case, for this shipment between these two addresses, the from address and the to address, is going to be $60.25. Now once we ask for it to be delivered on a Saturday, if we look at the cost, you'll notice that it's going to go up a bit because there is an extra charge for Saturday delivery. Now that's when we're going to ship on a Friday. What if we're going to ship on a Thursday? If we simply back off the date, so we have a shipping date of Thursday, and we look at the cost, this is going to cost $60 to get there on Friday, but we're shipping it out on Thursday. We want to get it there on Saturday, so that means we want to use the FedEx 2-day service. Now, to use the 2-day service, shipping out on a Thursday, it would normally get there on the Monday for the price you see here. But to set this up for Saturday delivery, we'll look at the cost, and it's going to be something else. It's going to be higher. Now remember, the cost you see here is for this shipment. Your shipment will have a different cost because you're going to have a different weight, different dimensions, and the from and to address will also be different. But the key thing is to remember that Saturday delivery costs more. Now there's another way we can ship for Saturday delivery, but you usually need more lead time, and that's to use the home delivery service with an appointment. Now in this case, this shipment is going across the country, it's going to take more than a couple of days to get there. So if I'm going to ship it, say here on the 8th, I'm not going to be able to have it delivered just a day or two later. To get a Saturday delivery, it's going to need to be out here almost a week, even more. So we need to make sure that we're using the appointment type of delivery, and we need to give a phone number for where it's being delivered, because this is a Saturday delivery by appointment. At this point, we could process the shipment for a Saturday delivery. Now remember, how much time you need between the ship date and the appointment date is going to vary based on how far the shipment is going. So be sure to check. If you try to process a shipment for an appointment date that's not available, ShipRush will tell you, and will tell you what dates are available, and you could choose a Saturday from the list of available dates. That's how to process a Saturday delivery shipment with ShipRush. The key is to click on the little arrow here to open the tab, and then you'll have the options to choose Saturday delivery options or appointment options if you're using FedEx home delivery. Thanks for using ShipRush.